Nganga KTN.
A planned visit by the Senate Committee on National Security to Lake Nakuru National Park has flopped after local security teams declined to accompany the senators, citing what they termed as safety concerns. The visit was meant to follow up on the mysterious disappearance of fisherman Brian Odhiambo and the displacement of hundreds of residents around the lake. Our reporter, Christine Nyamoya, has the details.
It was supposed to be a critical fact-finding mission, senators arriving in Nakuru to seek answers over the disappearance of a local fisherman Brian Odhiambo and the plight of hundreds displaced by rising lake waters. But the planned visit to Lake Nakuru National Park never happened.
In fact, to us, the appearance of the Senate at that place would have been a healing process. But now when they are left without communication, it brings more questions than answers.
The policemen out of nowhere started raising insecurity concerns, claiming that the community members in Nakuru Town West, in Pakivin, Parut, were planning to cause chaos. Something that we know and we believe would not have happened.
The Senate Committee on National Security, Defense and Foreign Relations spent over 3 hours at the Nakuru County Commissioner's office, locked discussions with security officials who later declined to accompany them to the sites in question. The committee had planned to visit Parkview in Nakuru East and Manyani in Nakuru West, areas where Brian Odhiambo was allegedly abducted on January 18 this year.
The family of Brian, the mother, the wife, the sister here, that tutatupumzika mpaka Brian apate justice.
A finding, of course, I know culpability is being handled by the courts, but at least compensation, because government agencies must bear a sense of responsibility so that we do not see this recur or happen again around Lake Nakuru.
People are displaced. There are people who are put together as far as compensation is concerned. The list keeps on expanding, so there is no solution yet. But there are many people, over 500 people, who are displaced as far as Lake Nakuru is concerned.
The Senate Committee is yet to announce a new date for the field visit, but for the families of the missing fishermen and the displaced residents, the wait for answers still continues. Christine Nyamoya, KTN.
Homa Bay County Commission